So the 4 that I am choosing to all collaborate with me are the following.
Oh my gosh,
Thank you so much.
If at first you don't succeed and you fall down to your knees, so you gotta pick yourself back up and try again.
이제 출국 이틀 전이고요.
Okay, waiting till the last minute to pack is always the best option. Look at this. Aww.
Can you see me?
I'm so excited!
Guess we just landed in LA. Here's the star. I'm filming you. Hollywood. And, you know, doing the touristy thing. Excited! Oh my God, it really feels
Hello. Why are we here right now? We are here to meet all the artists who I collaborated on the LG Life's Good song. I'm very, very excited to meet them. We've been communicating over the internet. Oh, hello. What's happening?
Hello, I love your outfit.
Are we allowed to shake hands?
Elbow or?
I'm Charlie.
Yeah.
Puth.
So nice to meet you.
I'm
in
Charlie.
person.
Very looking forward to flowery today.
Nice to meet you.
Hello. I'm Charlie. Hi, Sade. I already know you.
What?
Yeah. Yay. Nice to meet you. I know. I'm really excited. Let's go record.
First you don't succeed and you
Here we go, y'all. Cut back, please.
If it don't go like it should, just remember life is good and you gotta pick yourself back up and try again.
Anything to say to Charlie, I just want to say thank you first because it was so fun just being able to play. Honestly, I wanted to jam on some.
I wouldn't have met 3 amazing girls and had an amazing experience that I'll never forget.
드디어 찰리를 만나게 됩니다. 좋은 시간 가지고 가는 것 같아서 너무 즐거웠어요. I will always remember this and the people that were involved, so yeah, it was amazing. And life is good.
Life is good.